So what's up everyone, it's Chinita Motovlog again at nandito tayo ngayon sa Villa Milagrosa. It's along Cainta Rizal. So ayun, kakatapos lang namin mag-set. So yan yung view niya. Yan. Ayan, so ito din yung pinagganapan ng reception and yung garden wedding. So ngayon kakatapos lang namin at katatapos lang din namin mag-pack up ng mga gamit. At maya-maya onte pa uwi na din kami. So, of course, the good thing about the event is, of course, yung TF. So, andito na siya. At aside from the TF, of course, is yung consistency and satisfaction ng client and the mga guests. And actually, yung event namin na to is nirefer lang kami ng isa naming client din. Actually, it is actually a future client ha. Hindi pa namin siya natutugtugan before. Siguro parang napanood lang yata kami or hindi ako sure. Basta ni-refer lang din kami ni ma'am sa bride namin ngayon, sa couple namin. So, yun lang. So, prepare na muna ako. At uuwi na kami, going back to Manila. At baka maulanan pa kami. So, once again, it's Chinita Motovlog at nagsasabing, Arad, frutom na. Bye, ride safe, ride soon everyone.